In the pursuit of peace and security, the Philippine Army stands guided by the principles that transcend the battlefield, the principles of human rights, international humanitarian law, and the rule of law. The Office of the Chief for Law of Armed Conflict is a special staff of the Commanding General, Philippine Army. It advises and assists the Commanding General of the Philippine Army on all matters related to human rights, international humanitarian law, and the rule of law. Its function leads to the institutionalization of the Philippine Army's commitment to upholding human rights, IHL, and the rule of law. The Philippine Army ensures that all military operations are conducted within the bounds of the law. To this end, it continuously advances the institutionalization of IHL, guided by the standards and the framework of the International Committee of the Red Cross, or the ICRC. Success in military operations is shaped by doctrine, education, training, and equipment, backed up with effective system of sanctions. On doctrine, the Office for Law of Armed Conflict Philippine Army actively participates in doctrine reviews through the Doctrine Center to integrate IHL across all Army doctrines. A significant development is the ongoing revision of the rules of engagement, which provides guidance on the decision-making process and the application of force, ensuring respect for specially protected persons and objects. On education, through comprehensive Army-wide IHL educational programs, the Philippine Army is building a strong foundation of knowledge that reaches every soldier. This includes the integration of ladderized IHL modules into the curriculum of both officers and enlisted personnel across the various Philippine Army education and training schools. On training and equipment, in relation to the aspiration of integrating the IHL into the Philippine Army systems and processes, the Philippine Army, in collaboration with the ICRC, initiated an IHL training of trainers and participated in the series of Battalion Commanders IHL Symposium in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The acquisition of new military equipment is accompanied by the necessary updates to the rule of engagement, modifying the way the Army conducts operations to ensure full alignment with the principles of the law of armed conflict. Innovation drives our education forward. Through digital platforms and interactive applications, we extend IHL training to all echelons of our organization. The Philippine Army has conceptualized and implemented the institutionalization of the Operational Legal Advisor, or OPLEGAD. The OPLEGAD provides commanders with direct and competent legal advice during the planning, execution, and review phases of operations. To establish training and professional development programs, and to maintain the competence and professionalism of OPLEGADs within the Philippine Army. The Philippine Army has launched specialized training for Operational Legal Advisor through the Operational Law Subject Matter Expert Exchange with USAPAC. OPLEGADs gain vital skills and share best practices, strengthening legal compliance, professionalism, and the Army's commitment to the rule of law in every mission. On sanctions, to strengthen observance of the international humanitarian law, the Philippine Army imposes sanctions to ensure accountability, deter future violations, reinforce compliance, and to deliver justice to victims. The dissuasive effect of sanctions will be immediate, preventing unacceptable behavior becoming tolerated. While our journey to institutionalize the IHL continues, significant progress has been made. From doctrine development to enhanced training, we are building an army that serves with honor, operates within the bounds of the law, and safeguards human dignity. The Philippine Army, through the Office of the Army Chief for Law of Armed Conflict, stands committed to ensuring that even in conflict, humanity prevails.